YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today my brother and I, Jake, we are going down to Hyundai and picking up some free pallets because we're making like a computer desk for, basically our YouTube. So, yeah, so like what we're gonna do is like we're gonna build a computer desk and like have all our computers, our computer and laptops, basically make a desk. That's what we do. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Like, awesome. Right back, we went to Hyundai. We can't really film in there because other people's cars are in there and everything. So we went to Hyundai and we got the pallets for the desk for our computer stuff and all that. Yeah, well, some pallets. But that's pretty much all. Yeah, it's pretty much all we did today because we're gonna make a desk basically for all our shit and all that. So hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Oh wait, and I'll also like put it together, but that'll be another video. So stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.